pedal shaft goes into the base casting, where it connects to the cam, which when rotated pushes down what's called the cam follower. A lot of timpanists also call this the bell crank. So here are the original cams. As you can see, they're a bit worn. Not sure, yeah, there you go. You can see how angled they are, worn out on this side. This one's not as bad, but because I have them here in the shop right now, this is a modern cam made in 1998-ish. And this part right here matches up to the diameter of this piece of bronze stock that we just happen to have in the shop. So I'm going to clean this up. We'll get some new cams made for those drums. If they don't fit right, I can always go back to these, but these do need to be straightened. I prefer to just make new ones.
$750 and 2/10. So
we'll see.
Cuts a little different, huh?
Yeah, let's.
It goes in there, though.
What I'm doing is using this custom-made mandrel, which tightens up on the inside of this, pushing this up against it flat, turning the face of this so that it's flat, flipping it over, and then doing that side as well. Gets it pretty parallel, within half a thousand. This is the mandrel that I used. It was originally somewhere closer to an inch. Put it in lathe, cut it down, then you know that it's round and square on the back edge on the lathe. Cut it down to about 750, a little bit under, 7495. When you tighten up that tapered screw, it expands this on the inside of the hole. Pretty simple and nice little jig. So the next step is to tap a hole with the mounting screw. You want to make sure to make it a universal fit that's perfectly centered on this hole. Doesn't really matter where it is in this direction. I'd like it to be centered, but I don't really have a tolerance on that. This I want it to be plus or minus 2 or 3 thousandths. And once that's all done, I'll put it back on the mandrel, which I could have done this earlier, but I want to turn a little shoulder right here so it gives it more clearance up inside of the casting. The reason I didn't do that just now is so I want to have more to hold on to while I'm threading that hole. You see that ridge that I'm talking about? It's about 2/3 to the left.